morning, my kids. Welcome to my classroom. This is Miss Sarah with you. Today, we will learn about letter G. Wow, it's a letter G. Say good morning to letter G. Good morning, letter G. This is a capital G and this is a small g. Repeat after me. Capital G, small g. Capital G, small g. Now, let's learn how to make the letter G sound. The sound of letter G is G, 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 G. And now we will know some vocab about letter G. G is for grass, grass, G, G, grass, G, G, grass. G is for, wow, it's a goat, goat, G, G, goat, G, G, goat. Let's continue. Wow, it's a grapes, 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 G, G, grapes, G, G, grapes. And G is for, wow, it's a gloves, 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 G, G, gloves. Let's revise. G is for grass, G, G, grass. G is for goat, G, G, goat. G is for grapes, G, G, grapes. G is for gloves, G, G, gloves. G, grass. G, goat. G, grapes. G, gloves. At last, I have a question for you. What does a goat eat? A goat eats grass. A goat eats grass. A goat eats grass. Okay, thank you. See you later.